Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the something went wrong error in Google Gemini. This issue is usually caused by corrupted site data or a browser extension interfering with the website. First, open your browser and go to Google Gemini. Once the website loads, click the icon next to the website address in the address bar, then click Cookies and Site Data. Next, select Manage On-Device Site Data and delete all the stored data for Gemini. After that, click Reload to refresh the website. If you're still getting the error, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Now temporarily disable all of your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, or privacy tools, can prevent Gemini from working properly. Once you've disabled the extensions, return to the Gemini page and refresh it again. The error should now be resolved. If the problem continues, you can also try signing out and back into your Google account or opening Gemini in an incognito window to check if the issue is related to your browser settings. And that's it. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.